Hello everyone, Joe and I are here at the Polynesian Resort and we are going to give you a tour of the bungalows. I am super excited about this. You guys will absolutely love them. They are phenomenal. So anyhow, if you're new to this channel, please hit that like and subscribe and ring bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest. There are a total of 20 of the Bora Bora bungalows at the Polynesian Resort of Disney World, each totaling 1,650 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, living room, dining area, kitchen, and a stackable washer and dryer.
Bed in a single bed right here. Okay.
Oh, nice.
You pull it down, very easy to pull down.
That is so cute. Now, that's a regular twin, correct? So
Yes.
adult-sized twin?
Yeah, adult-sized twin, yeah.
The master bath is everything that you would come to expect from a Disney Vacation Club property. The double bowl vanity, the super deep tub that's jetted from the bottom, all of the beautiful, beautiful tile work. My gosh, this place was fabulous. It even had a TV in the mirror. It was so beautiful. The separate stall shower was absolutely enormous. And once again, the tile work, just fabulous. It was so beautiful. And of course, they had a separate water closet for the stool for privacy. But just absolutely incredible. This has to be my favorite Disney Vacation Club property. The stackable washer and dryer is neatly tucked away in the hall closet. Having that second full bath is going to make your life way easier for you and your guests. The master bedroom has a king-size bed. The second bedroom has a queen, but you also have a queen sleeper sofa and 2 single pull-downs. So you and your guests are going to have plenty of room to spread out and be comfortable. And you say that this unit sleeps 8?
Yes, ma'am. So 2, 3 out here, 3 in the second bedroom, and 2 in the master bedroom. Most of our members use this for special occasions, or if you're doing a holiday, you know, you want to do a nice holiday.
The deck is located right off of the dining area and has the view of the lake and the castle. So at nighttime, you can sit on your own lounge chairs on your own private deck, watch the fireworks. They even have a speaker that pipes the music right into your deck so that you can have that full experience. And there's also a plunge tub off of your deck that's a private plunge tub. So it's just so beautiful. I was in love with the bird cage chairs. To me, that would have been it. I probably would spend most of my time right there. That bungalow was absolutely spectacular. I'm absolutely in love with it. Well, hopefully you enjoyed. If you're new to this channel, please hit that like and subscribe and ring bell notifications so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest. Also, please check out some of our other great videos we have on the Disney parks, the rides, resorts, resort rooms, Skyliner rides, day trips, car shows. We've got so many great videos I know you're going to love. Thank you so much for watching.